Malawi Brief.
Mfumu ya mzinda wa Blantyre dzulo anali nawo pamwambo wopereka mphoto zosiyanasiyana kwa oyimba komanso ochita zisuzo, ndipo izi ndi zomwe analankhula.
To be here as a guest, and I'm not getting it for granted. I know a lot of people are very happy to see Jomo here. And I always say I'm a man of the people, and I stand for the people. Whatever I do it for the people. And to be the guest does not mean I'm above everyone else. It's just the grace of God who made me to be where I am today. So I want to thank the guys, the organizers, the guys Kibika, we are doing a lot. We know there's a sum of the challenges, we are still ready, slow by slow. We're gonna be there one day. You don't need to give up. Kwa magari zina umeda wina na ngasa wangu wangu wa Kizungu sina mwemazi. Kwa magari umeda wina mawadi before ndibulinde giseli Mungu alibisa mawa lawina aliyesi madola yo magagama chomwe Mungu okulikira samazi yanganire bansi ya Mungu sana mwego na Yesu zazakeoletera koma tufanya pai luguziga igira tufanye moni oletera tizidi bigira usewa kila bibi sana ziangalie basi ya andi Mungu akafuna dali sasa maona ukutoka abantu gaga ya buti lugwa kimitote nenea so nchimozo zinuso sukuli na yaji simbuza kuma kule ngani Mungu. So in life you don't need to give up. Para mbena ajama zona ngabiwo ndo pambana winani yesi. Kwa wame waleli Mungu ama bilega zero mosana siyani. Paliena napa sanzeru za uskuru. Paliena napa sanzeru zopanga zintu mene mkubangira ino. Paliena Mungu napa sanzeru kungopanga zintu olasa na weleni. Ena akatuona ena manena kuti ajomo ngabe. Tukubamenya bizunguru kukosa. Moyo tunafurugia magari samazi angalie basi ya kadeti aone maya tu jetu. She's there. Hata kula gala sabendegeze kwa Mungu anafuna kuti aonese anthu kuti Mulungu amazapanga chinthu chomwe atusama ine. Amen. Izi sanzo zambiri aprofesa wino president kwa anthu amati amene samaenda samapanga kampeni koma Mulungu anangofuna kuonesa kuti wakale president kuti anthu olampanda zikacheka. So it's all the same in your magari Mulungu awangama awadiwa. People can talk. Zambiri mbiri ule komwe muri kuanthu anakuangalireko ndi zambiri mbiri koma musaziyang'anire pasi tende push kwina kuswalamba ntoto apo Amerika kaya kuti sikuli nani anazakhala madoro inoso ngakhala zizozo ndinoni madani madoro kutenga event upanga mbele kupangira mugai kape tusanga bangi noni madoro chomwe tikungofunika ndolena kuti anthu aku Malawi zipangana support Malawi lokatoka. The problem that we have Malawi azaka na wabangati kutima pekesa kwambiri koma kuti akusire kuti pange singapangezo. These guys are doing a lot and akuzomani na chifo tezigoni kuti zikuchitika koma iniwo muzinyoza kuti akusire kuti nopangezi singavaniso. So tenzibirizo panga na support ame anzi ndio Blantyre ajomo nakasize kuingia osamamwekesa ifeo my guys, we need more events. Ngani Blantyre kufuna uli tikali my event mbili. Ifeo ngani Blantyre City Council are going to support you guys. Tuzo amade stambi malo chitira my event akusowa tuona na French kaja dia wanyanchana. Blantyre City Council ngani support kwa yose. We are in office kwatu simukomererwa ya. Tukufuna matali tuwe muri nao ngiri. Tukufuna Blantyre ya kweli. Kuti Blantyre ya kweli ni chifukwa jai uno. Kuti Blantyre ya kweli kufuna entertainment yochuo. So aina physics muri bwino muri kubanki kapushena amabanki so adusendla amabanki support mafana. My event ngada no zofesa jisoni. Sinubona kwa mabanki yaki muri bongo. We start guys. I think next year guys we are going to support you as Blantyre State. Thank you.